I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be using Purely Pink Mask from NSI and a couple of Glam and Glitz colours. So I'm using Teresa, which I'm in love with, and also Merlot A Go Go. So I'm starting off, and I thought that I was going to use this glitter, which is Cheshire Cat from the Alice in Wonderland Tea Party collection at glitterplanetuk.com. But I do change that later on in the video. So here's a look at the acrylics with the lids off. Look at that gold shimmer, that's beautiful. So I'm starting off, and I'm going to go ahead and create a reverse smile line, and this is using the Purely Pink Mask. The brush that I'm using is the number 10 Nail Mate brush from Glitter Planet, and I'm in love with it. It's just the perfect brush for me, and there has been so much great feedback, so thank you so much. If you guys have purchased a brush, or even if you just love and support Glitter Planet, it means the absolute world. So I place the bead at the smile line area, exactly where I want to create that smile, and just pat it with the end and the belly of my brush in order to move the product where I want it to go. Once I'm happy with my first bead, I'm coming in with my next bead, and I'm placing that just a little bit further up on the nail. This is just going to start creating the apex and the strength for the nail, because we won't be capping this area. You want to ensure that you do build up enough product. And don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up, which is pretty much the same freaking thing. Why did I even just say that? Seriously. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do the smile line, and then we'll move on to the next nail. And I'm keeping it in regular motion. I know some of you guys don't really want to wait that long. You want to see it done faster. I'll try and get some sped up videos up. I just feel like showing it in regular motion, you guys can really learn and see the proper technique, and it's not just like quickly running through. Hopefully that makes sense. So next I'm moving on to the pinky nail, and I'm coming in with the Merlot colour, or the wine colour, and I'm just placing this at the tip area and blending it down. I'm also going to blend it up the nail and make a nice ombre with the Teresa acrylic. And then once I've done that, I'll show you guys the glitter, which I'm changing over to, because I thought it would just match so much better. So the glitter that I decided to change over to was Cherry Bomb from Glitter Planet, because it's just got so much more deep red and a really fiery tone to it, whereas the Cheshire Cat is more purple pink. It's still a beautiful glitter, but I'm going to use that with purple and pink because I just feel like it'll go so much better. So now that I've changed over, I'm coming in with the glitter and doing that across the nail diagonally, sort of like just between the two ombres, and then spreading it out so it just adds some interest. Next I'm moving on to the middle nail, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply Teresa at the cuticle area and blend down. Now this colour is absolutely stunning. Like, look how freaking gorgeous she is. Like, oh, honestly, Like, it's just a beautiful nude mauve colour. You could wear that every single day on your nails and you probably would never get bored, but you would definitely need some glitter because life without glitter is just unacceptable. So now that I've blended down that acrylic, I'm going to come in with Cherry Bomb at the tip and I'm going to fade that up for a nice glitter ombre. So for the pinky nail, I'm coming in with Merlot A Go. I think that's what it's called. Merlot A Go. Merlot To Go. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the tip and blend it down, making sure to keep the coloured acrylic nice and thin because you don't really want to build any bulk up with this. And then once I've applied the colour to the tip area, I'm going to come in with the Cherry Bomb glitter around the cuticle area and just pat that out nicely, making sure to seal the cuticle area and then blend it down over the top of the existing colour that I have already applied. And this is just going to make another nice glitter ombre. I was kind of doing this set as I went along, I didn't really plan it out, and I do find that when I do it that way, not that I get a lot of the same designs, but I suppose as an artist you have your designs that you, a go-to design that you always go to, if you know what I mean. Like, unless I'm planning on thinking of something new, I don't think of it. It's just kind of is what it is. So yeah, I added another ombre glitter to the pinky, and then I'm going to come in and move on to that smile line. So I'm filing the smile line with my 180 grit nail file. You can find these at Glitter Planet in a packet of 5, and then around £3.25 excluding VAT, so it's really great value for money. I go through files like no tomorrow, and as a busy nail tech, I'm sure you do too, or even if you just do your own nails, it's just great to have hand files on hand. So now that I've filed and refined the nail bed area, this is how high my walls are. It just gives me a little bit of movement for filing, shaping, creating the right apex, and also a nice wall for the colour to butt up to ensure that I have a nice crisp smile. So I'm coming in with the deep red, which is Merlot To Go. I think it is. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. You know which one it is, I showed it at the beginning. And I'm placing that around the smile area, making sure to really tuck it in and over the top of that smile line. It doesn't matter if we go over the top, because when we come and file it, you'll reveal the nice crisp line. Make sure you get right up into the corners of the smile line and then blend down nice and thin. You don't want to build any thickness up at the tip again, because I'm going to come in with some glitter. Now I was just going to do a full Cherry Bomb at the tip, however I just wiped a bit off there and decided to go ahead and add a bit of the Teresa colour to add some more interest, some more depth, and just because it looked cute as hell. Okay, so now that that's the design finished, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails, and then I'll be back to add some design and also file the nails, obviously before the design. So I'm using the smooth top ceramic bit from Glitter Planet Nail Mate, and I'll have it linked for you guys down below. This is my favourite bit for refining, shaping, revealing those beautiful smile lines. It's kind of an all-rounder. I do love using it for a lot of different things when I'm doing sets of nails. So yeah, go and check it out, and also don't forget to save 10% with my code NINJA10 at the checkout area. So now I've finished filing, shaping and buffing, I'm coming in with some art gel, and any art gel of your choice would work perfectly. You could even do this really in a variety of different colours. It would work with black, it would possibly work with silver, but yeah, just try it out, do whatevs, but I chose gold. So I'm just coming in and adding some line details, and just to add a little bit of interest and intricacy to this set. So now that I've finished all the gold detailing and cured in the light, it's time to top coat, and look how gorgeous this set looks. It's absolutely stunning. I just want to let you guys know that I did have some trouble with the top coat pooling and shrinking, so I'd apply the top coat and then I'd check my nails, see if everything was nice and even, if there was any bits that I'd missed, and I could literally see the top coat was shrinking from the side walls and the free edge and just not covering the entire nail. It was so annoying, so I had to keep coming back and putting some more on and quickly shove it in the light, which is why the finger with the smile line on, it looks a little bit lumpy bumpy, because I think I cured it a little bit too soon. The gel hadn't like self-leveled. I wasn't going to rectify it. You guys know what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links to products and anything that I've used. I'll mention down below. Thank you so much for watching, and please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.